Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corietips Johnston. I am super excited to do this green makeup eyeshadow look. I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. What do you think? So it's a very simple go-to makeup look. No cut crease, no drama, but it is a beautiful eyeshadow look. So stay tuned with me and let's go into it. Brushing my brows in face. As you can see, I already defined my brows and I'm just going to shape it. So I'm using Maybelline Foundation Super Stay in Coconut 355. Next, I'm using my LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. So I'm just placing the remaining product on my crease. Tapping a little more to this other eye. And I'm just blending it out. Next, I'll be using classic eyeshadow primer from my eyelids. I'm just going to tap in very little because I already put in some concealer. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. It is the Zulu palette. I'll be taking on this green for my transition color. Very little. I don't want to put too much. Oh, it's quite sharp. Just want to make sure that you blend out properly. A little bit more will not hurt us. So next, I'll be using this brown color. Next, I'm using this color. It is green and it's kind of lemony. So I'll be using this Huda Beauty palette. It is the Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'll be taking on this black for my contour. So I'll be going to my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder for my highlighting. That's to highlight my brows. Now that I've done my eyes halfway, I'm just going to rush into my face and complete the eyes. So I'm using my Pond's Oil Control. I want to blend it out completely. I like applying it in the area that I produce oil the most. Next is my Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline in Coconut 355. So I'm using my beauty blender to blend it out. Next is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I'll be going back to my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder to highlight my face. So while my face is setting, I'm just going to complete the eyes. So I'm using my LA Color eyeliner in black. Next, I'm using this black eyeliner by Mabrook. So I'm just going to take some of this green for my under eyelid. So I'll be using my Milani powder in Warm 109. Next is my Maybelline powder. It is a Java 357. It is dark, so I'm using it to contour. It is very dark. Next, I'll be using this classic blush. I love it. It just gives my cheeks some pinkish, rosy feel. Next is Master Chrome by Maybelline. I love this highlighter. It is shimmery. So I'm using this Jordana lipstick in Cinnamon Toast. Next is this lipstick by MAC in Velvet Teddy. So I'm just going to put very little of this lipstick by Milani Otti Brulant. I love me some lip gloss, so I'm using Classic Makeup Clear Lip Gloss.